Hello everyone, I Sarika Singh welcome you to my channel, and today I am going to do exercise of active and passive voice with the simple present tense. But before that, you can see a chart on the screen. It is chart for active to passive conversion. So you can note it down. Now let's start simple present tense. See the sentences which we are going to do. First, he sings a song. Second, you play football. Third, she writes a letter. Fourth, they run a race. Fifth, she does not revise her lesson. You can see all sentences are simple present. Simple present means first form of verb without any helping verb. Now let's do it one by one. First sentence, he sings a song. You can see on a side I have written steps also which we need to follow, and formula also, so we just need to follow it. First, object. What is object here? A song, so we will write a song. Then is mr with a song. What we will write? Is, because it is singular. Verb third form, sing, sang, sung, so we have written sung. Now by, so a song is sung by in step number 3. Now step 4, subject. What is subject? He, so it will be converted into him according to pronoun changes table. Now the answer is a song is sung by him. Got it? Now you play football. Same formula because it is also simple present tense. First step, object. What is object? Football. Second is mr plus verb third form. So with football we will use first form. With football we will use is because it is singular. Then verb third form which is played. Then by. Then subject, and subject is you, and you know according to pronoun changes table you remains you. So the answer will be football is played by you. You have seen how easily I have done it with the help of the steps and the formulas. You can also do it this much easily. It's so easy. Okay. Now sentence number 3. She writes a letter. Again formula is there. Same formula, same steps. First, object. What is object? A letter. Then is mr, a letter. So of course we have to use is, and verb third form. Write third form, write, wrote, written. Then we have to use by. Then we have to use subject. Subject is she. It will be converted into her according to pronoun changes table. So now the answer will be a letter is written by her. So we have done it this also very easily. What we did, we just followed the steps and followed the formula, and we converted it from active to passive very easily. Sentence number 4, they run a race. Same goes here also. First, object. What is object? A race. Second is mr plus verb third form. Of course a race, so we have to use is because it is singular. Then verb third form, I hope you know, run, ran, run. Third form is also run, so we will write run. Then we have to use by, so a race is run by. And then subject. Subject is they, so it will be converted into them according to pronoun changes table. So now the answer will be a race is run by them. Class, I hope you understand subject and object. If you haven't understood, you can see my channel on YouTube. I have mentioned over there transitive and intransitive verb. Okay, let's see next one. She does not revise her lesson. Same thing. First thing, object. What is object here? Her lesson. Then is mr. Of course is. Then because here not is also given, so we will add not also. Then verb third form, revise third form, revised. Then by, and then subject. Subject is she, so it will be converted into her according to pronoun changes table. So the answer will be her lesson is not revised by her. Okay, you saw it's very easy. If you are confused in object, you just need to ask question with what and whom. She does not revise what? then you will get the answer as an object. Okay, I hope it is clear to you now. If it is not, you can contact me. Thank you.